From their perspective, cats must wonder why we are so interested in harvesting their droppings. But to humans, cleaning the litter box is one of the last things we'd rather be doing. Thankfully, a fabulous new device called the Scoop-Free Litter Box from PetSafe has come to our rescue. Scoop-Free is a self-cleaning litter box with disposable trays. Using a motorized rake, the waste is automatically swept out of sight into a hidden covered trap. This keeps your cat's litter box clean at all times. Odor is absorbed by a special crystal litter that PetSafe claims is 5 times more effective than clay litter. When you're ready to dispose, just pull out and cover the tray, throw it away, and replace with a new tray. You'll never have to clean the box by hand or touch litter ever again. Hooray!
The first and only pet bed to feature Purple's crazy comfy, super sciencey Purple technology.
Oh wow, Biscuit is excited. Whoops. Biscuit peed a little.
It happens.
And poo.
We all do. But on the Purple pet bed, that's okay. You see, first we looked at other pet beds. Most come in a variety of covers ranging from cotton and nylon to microfiber and polyester. Problem is, most of these fabrics are easily penetrated by
moisture.
Moisture creates bacteria, and bacteria smells gross. This means even when you bathe, condition, and deodorize your little buddy, as soon as they lay down on their bed, that old dog smell returns like a bad sequel. I'm looking at you, Michael Bay. So just toss the cover in the wash, right? Wrong. Because the real problem is the bed itself. Foam slat, cotton batting, fluff chunks. These materials are a breeding ground for bacteria, mold, and fungi. No, guys, the bad fungi. You guys. That means your pet bed not only smells gross, but might be making you more allergic to Fido, or cat Fido. That's where the Purple Pet Bed comes in. When we developed the Purple Pet Bed, we addressed all these issues starting from the inside out. The core of our bed is made of our ultra-comfy, hyper-elastic polymer. The comfort core is then wrapped in an antimicrobial, waterproof, odor-proof protector. That means no bacteria, no smell. Better than my human son. And our easy-to-remove, ultra-durable cover is also antimicrobial, as well as stain and moisture-resistant. Not to mention a beautiful statement piece for any living room, bedroom, or pet room. You know, if you're one of those people.
Guilty.
Now here's why your furry friends are gonna go barking mad over the Purple Pet Bed. It's just so dang comfy.
Don't be jealous.
Ever notice that even though you bought the $200 plush microfiber therapeutic deluxe edition pet bed at a big box store, your fur children still prefer your bed over theirs? Yeah! Boy, do I love shedding, is probably what cats think as they diabolically spread their fur all over your bedspread. But hey, they're just so cute. Also, you might notice your more fur-heavy friends prefer to sleep on the cool tile floor over their soft dog bed. Kind of like how I prefer Chloe to Kim. That's why we engineered the Purple Pet Bed to be temperature neutral. Your little buddies can rest comfy, pant-free, meaning no panting. I think that's pretty cool.
As cool as your fanny pack? Nerd.
Has your pet ever utterly destroyed his or her bed? First off, maybe they're trying to tell you something. But also, pets love to scratch and chew. But nothing scratches and chews with more precision. Plug in the claw! Our way to test for durability. The Purple Pet Bed withstood over 60,000 claws from this monster. The Purple Pet Bed is the absolute greatest pet bed of all time. And hey, we at Purple don't discriminate. The pet bed is great for dogs, cats, pigs, goats, snakes. Look at that spinal alignment.
Dogs always want to go with you when you leave for work. Left at home for extended hours, many dogs become bored and sad. Now there's the Go Bone, a new autonomous smart bone that interacts with your dog while you're away, and also offers new ways to play when you're together. The Go Bone actually moves around the floor by itself, providing stimulus and satisfying your dog's natural desire to pursue prey. Its innovative software personalizes its movements for your pet based on its age, weight, breed, and play style. When you're home, you can use the Go Bone to entertain your dog when you're busy, tired, or during bad weather. It's also perfect for pet owners with small, tight living spaces. Not just a great toy for you and your dog, the Go Bone can help dogs confined to animal shelters by providing them with some much-needed fun and healthy activity. So if your dog, or hog, needs a playmate when you're not available, go get a Go Bone.